So recently, the SEC sent out a press release about something called Prestige Fund, which is a allegedly fraudulent investment fund, and was promoted to investors who ended up losing over $700 million, according to the SEC.
Well, the Prestige Fund is an organization that we've been having our eyes on now for over a year, and they have more investment programs than you can shake a stick at. They have one in particular we've been focused on, something called Paramount. Paramount is a company that said that it had north of 38,000 ATMs, automatic teller machines.
So Prestige persuaded investors to use their fund by hiring promoters to go out to investors to tell them that this fund was safe and that it would provide steady, pretty much guaranteed returns, and that it was a great alternative investment to investing in the stock market. The promoters would tell investors the way they would make money in this Prestige fund was that they would give the fund capital. That fund would use their money to buy ATMs. The ATMs, through steady fees and other transaction costs, would earn money that would then be able to pay them back a steady interest rate. The promoters told them there were 38,000 ATMs. In reality, there was only 8. And so it was way less than was capable of sustaining an investment fund this size. So the question is, what happened to investor money? A lot of the money that was raised by Prestige would have been distributed to earlier investors. Some of it was probably used by the creators of the fund and the promoters to pay for their expenses and possibly lavish lifestyles. And so, is everything hopeless? Well, no. For one thing, a receiver will be appointed by the SEC who will go and seize all the bank accounts and whatever other assets there are, and distribute that to investors. And then on top of that, sometimes there's promoters who are brokers, advisors, other financial professionals who are involved who can be held liable for selling this to investors. And that's where we come in.
The ChapmanAlbin firm, as I say, we've been working on this for over a year. We've been talking to folks who invested and got burned and are looking for answers. The answer we have for them is there might be a path to recovery open to you. Don't sit on the sidelines. When you call ChapmanAlbin, we start working for you right away. We get to the bottom of your claim and we tell you exactly where you stand. But you don't have to take the wallet out of your pocket unless and until we find that you have a path to recovery. And if we find that path, we'll have a contract with you. We'll say, we'll work for you. We'll go to the mat for you on this claim. We'll fight like hell. And you don't owe us a nickel unless and until we recover money for you. That's the way we operate.